to adding number to the number line, right? Do we have any numbers on our number line right now?
Yeah.
We do. Where? Where do you see numbers?
Nowhere.
Oh, I don't see any numbers on my number line. On that one, what about mine right here? No numbers. So we got to put the numbers back on, okay? And we're going to start by doing 0 through 10, okay? Why do you think we're starting with 0?
Why?
Raise your hand. Why would we start with 0? Zariah, what do you think? Why are we starting with 0?
Because first, on the number line, we don't have any numbers. So we need 0 to start it.
Okay, does anyone else have an idea? Kaya, why do you think we're starting with 0 on the number line?
Because there's a 0 on that number line starting.
Okay, so we want to match the one in the front of our room. Does anyone else have an idea? Hasley, sit up. Go, Dielu.
The only number over 0 is the last number on the number line.
Why do you think that is?
Not because it's like
Okay.
water.
We're not going to get water.
No,
Ashton asked, the rest of you are not going. You can go in a little bit.
She said her water.
No, you don't need to go. Alright, so here's my thought about it. When we start counting, okay, what if we don't have anything? What number is that?
0.
0. So if we're going to start counting, we should probably start at 0, right, Andrew? So that way we can count to our next number. So here's what I'm going to do. I put a bunch of numbers in my box, okay? Now, here's just an example, okay? Let's see how good you guys are. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Are you really sure?
Yeah.
What number is that?
11.
Okay, smarty pants.
Yummy.
So, notice how it's folded. See how it's folded like a little tent?
Yeah.
I'm going to show you how I'm going to hang this on here. Okay? Watch. I'm gently placing it on the number line. Okay? All right? Now, this is not super strong string. It's kind of funny phrase, super strong string. All right? It is very flimsy, meaning that it could fall down if you're not gentle with it. So that means, Kaya, I don't appreciate you pulling that off of the mat. Thank you. So that means that you need to gently put it on, okay, and then walk away. Now, I have numbers in here. You're just going to get a number, a random number, okay? Just one number. Now, some of them are yellow, some of them are white. Are we going to look at each other and go, I got white and you didn't, or I got yellow and you didn't? No, just pick a card and we're going to move on. Now, I'll walk around the box. You stay in your seat, okay? All right, so Justine, pick a card. Yep, pick a card. You need your arms out to do that. Okay, pick a card.
Come on.
3, 2, 1.
We're not putting it on.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you for reminding him of directions. Pick a card. Come on. Pick one. Pick one. Pick a card.
Yes.
Okay, let's get. Let's go. Pick a card. Pick a card. Pick a card. 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's get. Pick a card. You get 2. Put one back in. Pick a card. Sorry, Chuck. Alright, let's see. Fauzi, come pick a card. Okay, go sit down. We're going to make our number. You got it? Alright, come sit down so you can join us.
It's the biggest number.
Alright, sit down. Gabriella, thank you for staying nice and quiet and calm with your number. I can tell you're definitely ready to put yours on. You too, Emma. Alright, I'm going to come around and I'm going to, would you like the number, Miss Jones? Sure. Okay. It doesn't matter which one, just pick any one you like. Okay. I'm going to come around and I'm going to pick one for myself. I'm going to because there's 3 left and there's 3 star students this week, right? So I'm going to give Abby one. I'm going to give Justine one. And I'm going to give Gabriella one. And that's just because their stars are up there and it just made it a little more simpler so that we all didn't have to argue over it, okay? Now, we will take, if you really enjoy this, We can play this again in a little bit, and then you can get a different number. Okay. All right. So we said that we're gonna start with what number?
0.
So who has that number? All right. So Andrew's gonna come, and he's going to start which side of our line? The white chair or the blue chair?
That one, blue, white chair.
The white chair? Yes, very good. Because we want to count up, right? If we started down there, our numbers would be going down. All right. What comes after my 0? 1. Who has number 1? You do. Good. Where do you think Grace should put it?
Right next to the 0.
Yeah. Why is that? Raise your hand and tell me. Kaya, thank you again for raising your hand. Why is that? Why did she place it right next to the 0?
Because 2 mumbles.
Okay, very nice. All right. Okay. Which one do we have next? 0, 1, 1,000?
2.
2. Who has 2? Go ahead, Charlie. Very nice. 2. Okay. I know that after 2 comes 3, so that's my turn. And notice I'm gently placing it on. Okay. What do we have after 3? 4. Does anyone have? Oh, Gabriella has it. Make sure you're sitting on your bottoms, right? I love how you're sitting because now she can walk by if she needs to and not step on your fingers. Thank you for that. Good. What's after 4? 5. Who's 5? Oh, Abby's got 5. Nice. After 5 is 6. Ah, Miss Jones.
I have number 6.
Did she put it in the right place?
Yeah.
Okay, next up, 6.
7.
Good, Kaya, 7. Very nice. Number
7.
Good. Now what? 9. Who is 9? All right. Now what?
10.
What do you mean for the yellow?
So it goes like 0, 5, 10, like 15.
Wait, so you think 15 is going to be yellow?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it goes in 5s.
Counting by 5s. Okay, well, everyone, let's lock that ID in your head. Lock it, right? So we're all thinking, right? We're all thinking that 15 is going to be yellow. Let's see. We're at 10 right now. So what comes next? 11. Who's got 11?
Hey, I got it.
Oh,
And that's
good job. Next is 12. Good, Justin. Next up, 13. Oh, good, Gabriella. Careful. Whoop. Slow. Oh, no. Thank you, Z, for putting it back on. See, you might have to fold it a little more. Got it? Good.
It's always my turn.
All right, 14. 14. If you have to fold it a little more, Jax. There you go. Diola, you already anticipating it? Okay. All right. Next up.
0, 5.
All right. Let's see. Were you guys right?
Yeah!
You were. All right. We got 16. So what is our next number that's going to be
20.
yellow? 20. Okay. What's next? 17. And then 18 from Zariah. 19. And our last number. Yay! Good job. Pat yourselves on the back. Good job. Nice.
0, 5, 10, 15, 20.
I'm so impressed you counting by 5. I don't have the card, but let's play a game. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. I want you to write on your hand what number you think would be the next yellow card. We had 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Don't call it. Write that number on your hand. You got it? Close your hand. Don't let it get off your hand. Close your hand. Let it go. Make sure you're sitting down because when you get ready to throw it at me, I don't want you to hit anyone in the head with it. Sit down. Sit down. Hayden, on your bottom. Yellow on your bottom. All right, are you ready? On the count of 3, we're gonna toss in the air. I'm gonna see how many of them are catch. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa! Are you sure? Do you want to see?
21.
Okay, ready? All right, I'm gonna see if I read this right. Did you guys say 25? Yes. That's gonna be our next yellow card. Rosie, did you write down what the next number was gonna be? Did you write 21 down?
No, I wrote 30.
Ooh, would that be a yellow card too, you think?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I went 21.
Alright, so here's what we're gonna do.
I'm
You ready?
Yes.
I'm going to take these numbers again. Okay. And now this time, not yet. Put it back. This time, I want you guys to take a picture of it with your brain. Notice how each number
gonna do a
is
big
placed in a nice, neat row. Okay. I need you to sit on your bottom. I need you to sit on your bottom. Do not make me ask again. Rosie, sit up so you can see. Here's my question. I'm going to slide, just pretend. Okay, I'm going to slide this down.
Like a number.
And there's a space in the middle.
I've got space here now. Is this correct?
No.
Why is this not correct? What do you know about number lines that makes this not correct? Skylar? So you have to put them together so you can count them in order? Excuse me, Skylar's talking. It's not your turn. Yeah, if I have a space here, Skylar, what am I suggesting or trying to tell you that something goes here? What am I telling you that might go there? Some numbers, right? So that's why I got to make sure they're nice and even and laid out correctly, because if not, then whoever sees my number line, thank you, sir. Whoever sees my number line, okay, might think that there's a number between 14 and 15. Is there a number between 14 and 15?
Yes.
No. Maybe when you get to high school and you're learning that kind of crazy math like decimals, but.
I don't want to go.
All right.
30,000, 30,000,
Oh, no.
60,000.
Why
All right. All right, ready? I'm going to give you just a random card, okay? And then when I give it to you, I'm not going to go in order. Once you get your card, I want you to try and put it on the line of where you think it might be. You don't got to wait for me, okay? So, for example, I'm going to give this one. Ashton's going to show us how to do it because he's sitting nicely. Ready? Ashton has 16. Ashton, where would you put 16 on that number line? Where do you think it would go? Right there? Okay. Why did you choose that spot? You forgot where it was last time? But I noticed you put it up higher. Why didn't you put it down here?
Because we're not the first number.
It's not the first number in the number line? Okay. Fauzi, why do you think he probably put it there and not down here? What do you know about the number 16?
Because 16 is a big number.
It's bigger or larger? Uh-huh.
Yeah, so it's supposed to go to the higher level.
Okay, so it's kind of almost like a higher level. All right, let me shuffle these up. Once you get your number, go put it where you think it needs to be. You may not, here's the fun part, you may not move anybody else's. Now, if you need to slide it down a little up or down to place yours so it fits, that's different. But if you put it there, you're like, that's not where it goes, and you move it, can't do that. That's where that person thought.
What if you get all scrambled up?
I don't know. Let's see if we can do it. All right, ready?
I
Go
wish
put it
I
up.
had 20. I want 20.
What do you remember about the number line, you guys? gotta be very careful with it.
So we'll put a space.